Hey, listen, who doesn't love perfect eggs every single time? Soft, medium, or hard, this little gadget makes it easy for the whole family. This elite gourmet egg cooker cooks up to 7 eggs at once, and they come out consistently perfect every time. Cleanup is a breeze, and it even saves time and water compared to the stovetop. Just measure your water for soft, medium, or hard eggs. Press start, and in minutes, voila, eggs ready to peel. And it even auto shuts off, so you don't have to worry. I love how compact it is. Perfect for dorms, apartments, RVs, or just leaving on your counter like I do. Plus, BPA-free parts and dishwasher-safe trays make it super convenient and family-friendly. If you want your eggs hassle-free and perfectly cooked every time, grab this. You'll love it.